Oh, yes. Ito malalaki na po. Akala ko dati ano 'to, eh, lemon. Orange pala. Ayan. Ayan. Unti-unti na siyang nag-o-orange. And of course, I'm with my little boss. Yeah. Unti-unti na siyang nag-change ng color. Woohoo! Someone want to touch the fruit? Mm. Yeah. Ang lalaki na. Meron siya doon. Ang daming bunga. Ooh. Meron kami dito 3 puno ng orange and isang puno ng lemon. Ang dami niyang bunga. Yes. So many fruits tayo. Look. Hanggang doon pa yan. Yes. You want to touch? You want to hold it? Yes. Yes. Okay. Done. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye tayo. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.